Okay. Let's go ahead. Take off the masking tape and see if my efforts will be rewarded. Nice. That's silver. I gotta tell you, that silver stuck really well. That's impressive because it's hitting black, but it did not care. All right, and nice, very nice. Very nice. The silver just feels right. Those two marks on the paint were there, but they're probably scratches from something else. So that wing's good. Let's check a little one. Those little sticky tack things are essential. And here we go. Here's a good piece. Nice. Looking good. You know, that's a tiny little piece. Let's see if I can grip it. I got these tweezers the other day, these stamp tweezers. And I figured they'd be great for decaling, and so far they have been, but let's see if we can grab that little piece of paper. Oh, wow, it can. Nice. And there she is. Looks like my gun does about a 1 inch spray. Or a little bit less. Because I do rock it back and forth, so. it feels so much better to take it off than it is to put this stuff on. Here we go. That line worked out. That line worked out. I'm just gently scratching it. Nice. Oh, she's pretty. She's pretty. What about you? You gonna turn out well? Very good. I saw these little grooves. I thought, paint them, but there's ways I could add a little bit more detail to this thing. You know, like I said, adding red to these little triangles at the top and stuff, but I mean, for the most part, I think I'm gonna back off for a while. I don't know, I might hit it sooner than later because I don't have to use masking tape for any of that. All of that's just precision. Just precision. Well, it is precision. And if you screw up, there's no masking tape to protect you. Wow, this little stamp thing just like, it can just grab an edge. And there she is. Needs a little cleanup, but man, I had the weirdest dream last night. It was like I was completing a ceremony for something. Oh no, no, did I just do that? God. I don't know if I just did that or if it was going to be that way, but yeah, it was going to be that way. Because there's no way that would have just happened. I thought spraying this thing with the clear coat of lacquer would protect it better. This paint is just Vallejo paint. I gotta tell you what, it wants to rip up. It doesn't secure, it doesn't dry on there. Because you gotta understand, this had been there for days. Literal days it had been there. So I'm gonna try something real quick. I don't recommend trying it, but what I was gonna do is hopefully things had worked out on the wings like they had the top these. This one not so much. So, but you turned out pretty well. Ugh. I don't know. Maybe this Vallejo paint was a mistake. I heard it's wonderful for miniatures, but I mean, it just peels right off after being lacquered. Maybe it needs to be lacquered stronger. Thicker coat. Anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sponge right here, and I'm going to dab a corner of it. This is one of those makeup sponges. And then I'm just going to try to rub it right here on that and see if I can get it to, you know, now that I look at it though, wow, that's one hell of a, yeah, like I don't know if I'll be able to get that correct. Let's find out. You know, why wait? Let's find out. So take some paint. And put it on the outside wing, I guess. That way I can I mean, it's getting on there, but it's not. No, here, wipe it off. It's getting on there, but it's not spray quality on there. I wonder if I can get it to at least. Nope. Oh, God. Alright, Skywarp, I'm done with you for a while. I don't feel like dealing with these Vallejo paints at the moment. Turned out pretty well, though. Pretty well. Not great. Definitely really good. I mean, most of these mistakes are things that, as the creator, that you notice, but other people probably don't really notice. Yeah, those wings look a lot better with that. Let me go ahead and paint that piece real quick. Not paint, but cement it on. Yeah, those look really good. I like it. It looks really cool. Looks like he's ready to go fight a Gundam. And with that being said, let's go ahead and so I guess out of the gun it sprays really well, but the Vallejo, you can't just pull it right out. It's not very. Things I learn as I go. Alright, so let's go slap up there. I'm running really low on this stuff. Well, in this bottle in particular, I am. I figured since this is already color, I'll use a dirty on it. Is it like this, I think? Yeah. There we go. My final attempt at Skywarp, for the record. Oh, I'm not going to use the decal sheet. It wouldn't look right. I don't think the emblems should be upside down anyway, so We'll go ahead and just pretend they never existed. It looks really good though, I have to say. I like it. A+. I still look at the guns and think, I could decal this, decal that, but for now I'm going to let Skywarp be.